Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to show you the DeWalt DWP849X Variable Speed Rotary Polisher. The DeWalt DWP849X is a light and powerful machine designed to restore automotive paint and finishes with comfort and control. Compared to its predecessor, the 849, the 849X comes in with a 12 amp motor compared to the 8 amp motor on its predecessor, and only weighs in at 6.5 pounds, meaning it won't tire you out as you work around your vehicle. This polisher features an all ball bearing construction motor built with heat-treated, precision-cut steel gears to ensure lasting, smooth operation. Its built-tough motor is also protected with wool ingestion shields to increase tool life and reduce service costs. The ergonomic 2-finger trigger system accommodates a range of finger positions, minimizing user fatigue whether in a horizontal or vertical operating position. The trigger is also variable speed, allowing users to dial in the desired speed from 600 to 3,500 RPM, depending on the material and application. The hook and loop backing pad allows for quick, tool-free accessory changes as you switch between foam and wool pads with the same hook and loop fasteners. In addition to the common straight side handle, the DeWalt DWP849X Variable Speed Polisher comes with a 3-position bale-style handle for multiple gripping options. Its ergonomically sculpted rear handle and rubber overmold and non-mar rubber gear case cover help to reduce the chances of finish scuffs or scratches. All of these features, paired with its CFS Controlled Finishing System for a soft starting, high finish quality, make this polisher a must-buy for any professional detailer. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on the DeWalt DWP849X Variable Speed Rotary Polisher or any of our other paint correction products, head on over to DetailKing.com where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to the right to make sure that you're notified when we post another video. Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what type of video you want to see next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.